Stop scrolling for a second, look at your hands right now. Those dark spots, what if I told you they're not just aging? And more importantly, they can actually fade, sometimes faster than you think. And here's the shocking part. There are simple reasons behind them that most doctors never talk about. If you've been covering up age spots with makeup, expensive creams, or just accepting them as normal, this video might completely change the way you see your skin and your health. Age spots, also called liver spots or sunspots, are one of the most common skin concerns, especially after the age of 30. They show up on your face, hands, shoulders, and arms. And while many people believe they're just a natural part of getting older, that's only part of the truth. In reality, age spots are your skin sending you signals. Signals about sun exposure, your lifestyle, your nutrition, and even what's happening inside your body. Today, I'm going to break down 5 powerful reasons why age spots appear and how you can actually reduce and fade them naturally. And trust me, number 4 surprised eyes almost everyone. So make sure you watch till the end because I'll also share simple daily habits that can make a real difference in your skin. Let's start with the first reason. One of the biggest causes of age spots is something you experience every single day: sun exposure. When your skin is exposed to the sun, it produces melanin. Melanin is the pigment that gives your skin its color. It's actually your body's way of protecting you from harmful UV rays. But here's the problem: when your skin gets too much sun over time, melanin starts to build up unevenly. Instead of spreading evenly across your skin, it forms concentrated patches, and those patches become age spots. This doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of years of small exposures, walking outside, driving, sitting near windows, even cloudy days. And most people don't realize this. UV rays can still damage your skin even when the sun isn't strong. That's why one of the simplest and most effective things you can do is use sunscreen daily. Not just at the beach, but every single day. Even a basic SPF 30 can protect your skin from further damage and prevent new spots from forming. Now let's talk about the second reason, something many people completely ignore: oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when your body has too many free radicals. These are unstable molecules that damage your cells, including your skin cells. Think of it like rust forming on metal. Over time, that damage shows up on your skin as wrinkles, dullness, and yes, age spots. So what causes oxidative stress? Poor diet, pollution, smoking, lack of sleep, and even stress. When your body is overloaded, your skin becomes one of the first places where damage becomes visible. The good news: you can fight this from the inside. Foods rich in antioxidants help protect your skin. Things like berries, spinach, nuts, green tea, and vitamin C rich fruits. These foods help neutralize free radicals and support healthy skin repair. So instead of only focusing on creams, start thinking about what you're putting on your plate. Now here's reason number 3, and this is where things get interesting. Skin regeneration slows down with age. When you're younger, your skin renews itself quickly. Old cells shed, new cells replace them, and your skin stays smooth and even. But as you get older, this process slows down. Dead skin cells start to build up on the surface. And when these cells contain excess pigment, they make age spots look darker and more noticeable. That's why gentle exfoliation can make a big difference. You don't need harsh scrubs. In fact, those can damage your skin even more. Instead, use mild exfoliating products or natural methods like lactic acid or fruit enzymes a couple of times a week. This helps remove dead skin cells and allows new, healthier skin to come through. Now let's move to reason number 4, and this one shocks a lot of people. Hormonal changes. Yes, hormones don't just affect your mood or energy, they also affect your skin. Changes in hormones can trigger something called hyperpigmentation. This means your skin starts producing more pigment in certain areas. This is especially common during pregnancy, menopause, or even due to birth control pills. When hormones fluctuate, your skin becomes more sensitive to sunlight and more likely to develop dark spots. That's why some people notice sudden patches of discoloration that seem to appear out of nowhere. If this sounds like you, the key is consistency. Protect your skin from the sun, use gentle skincare, and give your body time to balance itself. Now let's talk about reason number 5, and this is something most doctors don't emphasize enough: lifestyle habits. Your daily habits play a huge role in how your skin looks. Smoking, for example, reduces blood flow to the skin. This means your skin gets less oxygen and fewer nutrients. Over time, this leads to dullness, uneven tone, and faster aging. Lack of sleep is another major factor. When you don't sleep well, your body doesn't repair itself properly, and your skin shows it. Even dehydration can make age spots appear more prominent because your skin loses its natural glow. So if you really want to improve your skin, focus on the basics: drink enough water, get quality sleep, reduce stress, avoid smoking. These may sound simple, but they make a huge difference over time. Now let's add some real value here. Practical tips you can start using today. First, always apply sunscreen in the morning, even if you're staying indoors. Second, include vitamin C in your routine. It helps brighten the skin and reduce pigmentation. Third, avoid picking or scratching your skin. This can make dark spots worse. Fourth, be patient. Skin healing takes time. There are no overnight miracles, but consistent care works. And here are a few mistakes you should avoid. Don't overuse harsh whitening creams. They can damage your skin barrier. Don't expect one product to fix everything. Healthy skin comes from a combination of habits. And don't ignore your diet. What you eat shows up on your skin. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. So comment below and tell me, have you noticed age spots appearing recently, or have you been dealing with them for years? And if you're learning something new, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because I share simple science-backed health tips just like this. Now let's quickly recap. Age spots are not just about aging. They are caused by sun exposure, oxidative stress, slower skin renewal, hormonal changes, and lifestyle habits. The good news is you have more control than you think. With the right habits, you can protect your skin, reduce damage, and even fade existing spots over time. Start small, stay consistent, and give your skin the care it deserves. Because healthy skin isn't about looking younger, it's about feeling confident. And finally, a quick disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider for any skin concerns or treatments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.